Hey guys, it's Donna. Welcome to Donna's Sewing Circle. This is an impromptu video. As you know, I just finished the quilting series 1 through 15 to prepare you for quilting. Now I'm ready to begin the quilting lessons. And before I could do that, I have to pick the 3 fabrics that we're going to use. We're going to make Jacob's quilt, we're going to make Jacob's ladder. You can find a pattern on my website, which is down in the comments or the description of my video. It's free. All you gotta do is give me your email address and you'll get this for free. It is a document. What I do, when you print it out as landscape, front and back. If you don't think you can do it, take it to your library. They will do it for you. It only costs about 50 cents. Okay, so I thought I'd take you along with me as I pick out fabrics for the quilt. I think you'll have fun. I enjoy it. I was downstairs in the house. I just finished my 15 video series and I can actually relax, but I couldn't get the quilt off my mind. I love picking fabrics for quilt and I wanted to take you along with me. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see my fabric. All right, so we're going to pick, and this fabric here has caught my eye multiple times, and I think that's going to be one of the fabrics I choose. It's really vibrant pink. It has white, some burgundy, yellow, blue, pale blue. It's got a lot of color choices in it for matching. Let me see. That's probably better. Now you get a better view. Okay, so I picked this. Now I needed 2 fabrics to go with it. So one of the fabrics I saw that I think would go well with it is this. I really like it. The pink goes well with it. The blues, the greens. And another one I considered is this blue one. You've seen me work with it before with, I believe I did it in lighting in my makeup bag. So there's this. What's interesting, if you watched all my videos, one of the things I said that I do is I collect sheets. All 3 of these are sheets. These are sheets I found at Goodwill or somewhere else, another thrift store. But these are 3 sheets. These are 3 color options. This is a sheet also. This is another option. I'm not sure it will go well with. I think it would compete with this is my main color. And I'm afraid this one is too competitive. If I do add this, it'll be the little, let me show you. If you notice, there's large blocks, and then there's little blocks. And then these little blocks, see this cream colored fabric? There's no large cream colored fabrics. They're all small. So if I choose to add this, I'll probably add it here as this small block, but I'm not real sure about it yet. It's got all the colors, so it matches this, but I'm afraid it will compete against it, and this would become the main fabric, whereas I want this to be the main fabric. So I have to consider this one. I'm not real sure. I have a lot of fabric to choose from, as you can see, and one thing I have to consider, I need at least a yard. I can't pick something that's like this. That's not a yard. A lot of this isn't a yard, so a lot of this won't work for this quilt. Oh, here's the other. Ooh, that looks pretty. What do you think? These 3? interesting. Make your comments below which fabrics, because I wanted to do this several days before the video. Give you guys a chance to let me know what you think. This is fabric 1. Fabric 2. Fabric 3. Fabric 4. Fabric 5. Fabric 5 will be in the quilt, so you don't even have to pick this one. It will be in the quilt. What you need to help me pick, are these other. I've got 4 choices, and I can only pick 2. So help me decide which one you think would be in the quilt, or would look best in the quilt. So I'll see you all in the next video. Look forward to hearing your comments. If you notice in the description and in the comment box, I've also have my quilting book and my sewing book. I've got 2 books out. If you're interested in either one of them, both of them complement my series, my 1 through 15 series. I have 1 through 15 series in sewing and 1-15 series in quilting, and there's a book for each one of those series. And I've also got a link down there for my website. I have a website, and you'll need to go to that website to download the quilting pattern if you plan on joining me to make the quilt in a couple days. So look forward to hearing from you. Let me know what you think. Tell me where you're watching from. I'd love to know that. I know I've reached clear across the West, which is really exciting because I'm in Kentucky, and my community is Kentucky and Indiana. I do have a sewing class. I teach sewing here locally, and they convinced me that I needed to get online and spread my knowledge out there, so that's what I've done. Nice to see you. Please comment below. I'd love to hear from you, and I will see you in the next video.